guys, this is Arjita, and today we'll be doing some mixed media art with all the beautiful imagined products. So I've taken this chipboard tag, but I've kept a bunch of them in front of me because I'm not really very sure what all is going on my project. So to start with, I'll be using some black gesso and I will cover my tag and all the fun elements which I'll be using on top of my tag. So now I'm using the creative medium in golden, and I am using a stencil. It's a beautiful flourish stencil, and I will be using a spatula to get this stenciled effect on my tag. So with this I'll be getting a beautiful texture, and this will add on to the layer, the first layer of my tag. So this medium is so beautiful and creamy. It is very easy to work and it really gives a good dimension on the stenciling. So I'll be using this quality of the paste, and that'll make my layer pop up, and it'll look very pretty. Today I won't be using the golden color of this beautiful paste, but I'll have to paint black gesso on top of it because I want it to be pushed back a bit so that it looks like one of the layers and not the main one. So I'll be using chipboards, some resin pieces, and a wood cutout as well. I'll also be using some flowers, some paper flowers, and all that will be gessoed. So now I'm going to use the creative medium in clear to stick my chipboard element. Creative medium is an excellent glue and it can hold really heavy pieces very beautifully. So for today this is going to be my adhesive, and it'll give me a very strong hold. So this is the resin piece, and I'll be just placing it on top of it. Again, use the creative medium and stick it. So in today's project I can say that creative medium is the main hero of my project, and mixed media can be really fun and lovely if you have the right material to fix it and to add the color. So once all these beautiful elements which are already gessoed are adhered, I'll just quickly heat dry it and move ahead. So now is the time to add all the beautiful shimmers and fireworks sprays onto the tag, and this is really the most amazing part, and the way these sprays glisten and shine and shimmer is absolutely stunning. So you can keep doing this, and it'll absolutely be wonderful. So here you can see that I'm using the blue shades, and to finish it I'll use some golden shimmer as well. I'll dry the layers in between so that nothing turns into mud, and the layers are distinct. So this paper flower, which was in white, took the blue fireworks beautifully, and I love it. So I hope you can see how beautiful and shiny it looks, and this golden will just take it to the new level. So this is almost done, and I decided to add some irresistible spray on top, and I'll be doing a splatter effect. This is very trendy and brings back a lot of interest to the tag. And to finally finish it, I use the Delicata in golden and just rub the pad directly onto the raised areas, and it was stunning. The shine on this tag is unbelievable, and it's really difficult to catch it on the camera. So I'll try to show you how beautiful this looks, and I'll also click some close-up shots so that you can understand. See how beautiful these shimmer speckles look on the flower and the heart. I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also visit the Imagine blog for more videos. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.